Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so hari ini kita akan belajar pasal differentiation. Okay, basically there ada beberapa method untuk solve differentiation. Hari ini kita fokus the rules of differentiation. So the rules of differentiation maksudnya dia bagi satu equation dan macam mana kita nak solve the differentiation equation by using their rules. So basically dalam differentiation dia ada 8 rules. So ada constant rules, ada the linear function rules, ada the power function rules, differentiation in sum difference rules, using product rules, using quotient rules, using the chain rules, and the last one by using the inverse function rules. Okay, so hari ini kita fokus pada constant rules dan juga the linear function rules. Macam mana nak solve nak solve equation of differentiation by using the constant rules. So, okay, apa itu constant? So, before kita pergi kepada how to solve the constant rule, kita kena tahu apa tu constant. So, constant ialah huruf. So, any huruf, for example, huruf 1, 2, 3, until 100 or 1 juta, kita panggil constant. So, for examples, dia bagi the basic constant rules, y equal to c. So, c here is a constant. Anything, the numbers. Okay, so untuk menyelesaikan differentiation equation by using the constant rules, just a straightforward equation only. So y, if we differentiate y, become dy dx. So for example, soalan dy dx equal to 4. So kalau this one is the constant rules, for example this one is the constant, the differentiation must be equal to 0. Okay, for example y equal to 100, differentiate y equal to dy per dx will be equal to 0. So any constant rules, any constant will be after differentiate will be 0. Okay, that's why it's one rules. The second rules is by using the linear function rules. So contoh equation for linear function rule is y equal to 1 plus bx. They have constant and they have the function of x. Okay, so differentiate the y value here. So kalau nak differentiate y equal to a plus bx, differentiate. Okay, this one is the constant. So from previous rules, anything that differentiate the value of constant, it will become 0. So dy dx here, a will be 0, and bx here, bx differentiate the bx will become b. Okay, so for example, I give one example, y equal to 10 plus 10 plus 6x. So to differentiate this equation, dy dx equal to 6. Because this one is the become 0, 6x will become 6. So the equation will be dy dx equal to 6. Okay, the third rules, we are using the power function rules. Power function rules maksudnya the x here, dia ada power. Examples x2, x3 or x4. Okay, so kalau dia bagi this type of the examples, y equal to 4x, the power of x here is a 1. Okay, so by using these rules, x dy dx for y equal to ax power of n become differentiate. They will multiply with n, which is multiply with the power, and then multiply with the constant multiply with the power, x and minus 1, means that the power of the x minus 1. So this equation y equal to 4x or power of 1, differentiate this equation, it will be 1 multiply with 4 x 1 minus 1. So that's why will be number of 4 only. Okay, we go to the equation number 2, y equal to 4x2. Okay, so to differentiate y equal to 4x2, okay, power multiply with 4x 2 power minus 1. So the equation will be 8x 1. So this one is the example question. Okay, the last one, y x minus 2. So negative 2 multiply with number of 4 become negative x. X power of negative 2 minus 1 will be negative 3. So ini adalah jawapan untuk the power function rules. So hari ini kita belajar the 3 rules, which is constant rules, linear function rules and power function rules. Terima kasih.